calling is dead. Manual outreach. It's a complete waste of your time. While most agency owners are grinding through spreadsheets and getting ghosted, the top 1% have stopped selling entirely. Instead, they've built an autonomous lead engine. I'm talking about a system that finds your ideal client, researches their specific pain points, and writes a hyper-personalized pitch, all while you sleep. I've used this exact framework to scale B2B offers from 0 to 10K a month without hiring a single sales rep. No scripts, no awkward pauses, no rejection. In this video, I'm pulling back the curtain. I will show you exactly how to connect Make.com and OpenAI to build a lead generation machine that works 24/7. By the end of this tutorial, you won't just have a tool. You'll have a predictable, scalable system for landing high-ticket clients on autopilot. Let's dive in. Let's be honest. You've been told that sales is a numbers game. So you spend 4 hours a day dialing. You send 100 LinkedIn messages that get ignored. It's soul-crushing. And the worst part, it doesn't scale. If you want more leads, you have to work more hours. Or you hire a virtual assistant. But then you're spending your time managing a person instead of growing your business. You're paying a salary, but you're still getting low-quality appointments. Most agency owners are trapped in this loop. Scrape leads, send templates, hope for reply, repeat. It's a race to the bottom. While you're manually typing, I hope this email finds you well. Your competitors are using AI to personalize 1,000 outreaches in seconds. They aren't working harder. They're just not doing the work at all. You're fighting a 2026 battle with a 2010 playbook. The grind isn't a badge of honor anymore. It's a bottleneck. Every minute you spend on manual prospecting is a minute you aren't spending on high-level strategy or delivery. You're the CEO, but you're acting like a low-paid lead gen rep. That stops today. Here is the reality. You don't need a bigger sales team. You need a better system. Most people think lead gen is a numbers game. They blast 1,000 generic emails and pray for a 1% response rate. That is not scaling. That is spamming. The smartest agency owners are building lead engines. A system that finds the lead, researches their business, writes a hyper-personalized hook, and sends the message. All while you sleep. Let's build this. Step 1, the fuel. You can't automate garbage. Use a tool like Apollo to filter your ideal customer profile. Don't just target CEOs. Target CEOs of Series A SaaS companies in New York with less than 50 employees. Once you have your list, we don't manually export CSVs. We connect Apollo to Make.com via webhook. Now, every time a lead hits your criteria, they are instantly pushed into our engine. Step 2, the brain. This is where most people fail. They tell ChatGPT to write a cold email. That produces robotic fluff. Instead, we feed the AI specific data, points from the lead's profile. We use a prompt like, analyze this lead's recent post, find one specific business challenge they mentioned, write a one-sentence observation that proves I've done my research. This transforms your outreach from a sales pitch into a conversation. Step 3, the delivery. We push that AI-generated hook into a variable in Instantly AI. The system sends the email through a rotated pool of domains to protect your sender reputation. Let's look at the math. Manual outreach, 20 personalized emails a day. Max, AI lead engine, 200 hyper-personalized emails a day. You aren't just saving time. You're increasing your conversion rate because the lead actually feels seen. This is the exact architecture used to hit 10K months without a single cold call. You've replaced a $4,000 a month sales rep with a $30 a month Make.com subscription. That is how you leverage AI for real ROI. To get this running, you need the right stack. I use Make.com to handle the logic and OpenAI as the brain. I've dropped the direct links in the description below. Use them to skip the setup friction and get your accounts live. Now let's talk numbers. This isn't theory. This is how you move from 0 to 10K. I used to spend 5 hours a day manually scraping leads and typing emails. Now, I spend 0. The engine finds the prospect, analyzes their website, and sends a hyper-personalized pitch, all while I'm offline. That is the power of an autonomous lead engine. If you want more blueprints to replace your manual grind with AI, hit subscribe. Check the links below, build this system, and stop wasting your time on cold calls. I'll see you in the next one.